Hey guys, what is up everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video let's talk about things which you might want to consider before you even start thinking of selling on Amazon. I recently got a question from Eugenia and she's saying, I live in Italy and want to start selling on Amazon. I don't know what I'm gonna sell. I'm thinking between ordering own brand from China or constantly searching for EU products with better deals. So my question is what you would recommend. Based on your experience, focus on local Italian market or start with the UK and then expand to Europe. It's really hard to answer this question right away because you have to understand some other things and conditions which you have. How much budget do you have? How much scale you want? Is it your side hustle? You want to make it full-time business, or do you think of capitalization? So all of those questions should be in place to understand what would be your action plan. So think of the goal, what is the goal for you? I see only two ways how you can succeed in nowadays, right? You either build a brand because brand is something you can capitalize in the future. Brand is something which gives you power. Today everyone has access to everything and anyone can start selling product from China to Italy to the UK to Germany. It's not that hard. Second option which you have, you build a platform. You can sell any product. You can find, as you said, you can find better deals locally and you can sell it overseas, or you can sell it even within local market. So you have your supply chain, which is local Italian market. That is your advantage being there, and you sell overseas. In this case, you don't care about brand, but you have a platform, and in all of those cases, like building the brand or building the platform, you have sort of capitalization of your business. Eventually, your business will be capitalized because your brand is value, your platform is also value. My opinion, you have to understand the product. Some people can argue with me that you can just see where's the better deal and you buy cheaper, you put your markup on top of that, and that's how you make your money. It works. Again, as I mentioned before, pretty much everyone can find the product somewhere and can sell it somewhere as well and have a profit out of it. The question is, if you're looking long term, you have to understand that your experience, your expertise, your name, your brand, your distribution chain is basically your advantage, and you have to understand whom you're targeting, right, and how big this market and this niche is. What you can also do is you can test your product before you even create the product. There are few platforms which allow you to basically create digital presentation of your product. Let's say you want to create a shampoo, right? So you put three different visual presentations of your shampoo, of the bottle of the shampoo, and you make three different descriptions. For example, one is vegan, fully organic, and third one is, let's say, related to medication. Just giving you an example. And then you can do ABC test for all those three variations, and you can see which one people prefer more and why they do so. And that gives you sort of understanding what you want to do. And then you go and you search for manufacturers, you search for producers, or maybe even you search for better deals with already existing products which are already in the market, and you put them on your platform. You want to keep things under control, and by keeping things under control, you want to understand what is your advantage, what is your strong point. Let's say you want to buy a product in China, you want to sell it in the UK. You shipped product from China to the UK, and then client in the UK bought your product and come back to you with a claim saying that this product was bad quality. Now you're in sort of position where you don't know who's right. You go back to factory, and factory says, no, we shipped really good product, as the same as a sample we previously shown to you. And you will be in a position where you don't know whom to trust. Is it really a bad product? Or maybe it is a client who actually wants to trick me and he wants to get a product for free. In this situation, you will be sort of in a position where you have to maintain good relations with the factory, but same time you have to refund the client. So you're the one who is losing money in this process, right? You have to understand your market, right? You have to understand whether there is a demand for this product or this service, or if there is an opportunity for such product in your market. And you want to make sure that all processes are pretty much transparent, and you also don't want to deal with bureaucracy. The European Union is really protective of local producers. So as I mentioned in my previous video, if you buy in Europe and you sell in Europe, you have so much easier life. So just to summarize everything, what is your goal? You want to build something big out of it, or just like side hustle and you just want to have some extra cash on your hands and you want to do something to learn? Just do your research, do your homework, try to test as much as you can before you actually start selling, because again, it all comes with a price. In most of the cases, first product is not success. You lose a lot of money, but you learn. What you can do, you can just minimize that loss, and you can start a little bit more efficiently. I hope it's been helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Let me know about it down there, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.